Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 mouse pointer automatically moves on its own. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Mouse. Click Pointer Options. Uncheck and check Enhance Pointer Precision. Uncheck Automatically Move Pointer to the default button on a dialog box. Uncheck Display Pointer Trails. Uncheck Show Location of Pointer when I press the Control key, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.